Hello all y'all people out there, it's me, YT, and as you can see, this is not YFS episode. Nope, instead, I thought I would do another linguistics video instead of, rating flags. So in this video, I will show you how to make a language. Seeing as how I've showcased one of my conlangs, yes, I said one of, meaning that I've made multiple conlangs, I naturally know how to make a language. So, I will show you how to make a language, as they've previously stated. But before we begin, some good sources for learning about languages would be Wikipedia, WikiHow, Artifactian, Sidenoff, Native Lang Focus. They are all great sources. I will link them in the description of this video. So, let's begin. Number 1, phonology. In case you don't know what a phonology is the list of sounds a language has. Now, think to yourself, what sounds should my language have? For the most part, your language should consist of sounds coming from English, but you can add some non-English sounds as well. It is 100% up to you. Here is an IPA consonant chart. You can choose whatever sounds you want. And just a little side note, you pretty much need to know IPA if you want to learn linguistics. And you might also be asking yourself, what is IPA? Well, IPA is short for the International Phonetic Alphabet and is a list of sounds that every spoken language has. So you can probably see why it is pretty important. If you don't know what a certain sound is or you're not sure how to pronounce it, you can always look it up on Wikipedia and it should show you how to pronounce it. Number 2, Phonotactics. A phonotactic system is essentially a list of possible sound sequences, how those sounds interact with each other, and how words are structured. What sounds can be next to one another? How are words structured? Are there some sounds that can't be at the end of a word? Artifactics makes a good video on how to make a phonotactic system. I will link it in the description as well. Number 3, grammar. Grammar, I think, is one of the most important parts of making a language. So, how will your language function? What will the word order be? Will the subject, verb, or object come first in a sentence? What cases will your language have, which are essentially these things that tell a word what role it plays in a sentence? Will your language not have articles, so words like and the wouldn't exist? What kind of language will your language be? These decisions are completely up to you. Number 4, lexicon. A lexicon is essentially just a fancy linguist term for a vocabulary. So, now it is time to make words. There's no right way to make words, but this is what I like to do. Base words on other existing languages, make root words in which they are made by attaching some sort of affix to them, which is a little piece you attach to words, like un and able in unbelievable. Make up words entirely and give them a meaning that I think fits. Throw some sound together that I think is aesthetically pleasing or that I think to make sense. Like, for example, small and light things could have the vowels e and e in them, but large and heavy things could have the vowels a and o in them. Or you could do something completely different. It is 100% up to you. Number 5, syntax. After you've done all that, you now get to write syntax. Syntax is essentially the arrangement of words to form sentences. Try translating something into your language. What you should translate is up to you, but if you can't decide, I have something you can translate. Try translating this article from the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. All human beings are born free and equal in dignity and rights. They are endowed with reason and conscience and should act towards one another in the spirit of brotherhood. And there you have it. You have created a language. Yay! Man, I've not made a video apart from YFS in a while, so I hope you enjoyed. If you have a suggestion for what video you want me to do next, please let me know on my Discord or in the comments below. And I'll see you all later. Goodbye.